If you're considering Castmagic for your business or content creation, you need to know a few important things before making a decision. Whether you're comparing it to other transcription and audio tools or diving into what makes it stand out, this video will break down the 7 things you need to know before buying. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether Castmagic is the right fit for you. First up, Castmagic is incredibly user-friendly, and that's something you'll really appreciate. If you've tried other transcription software like Otter or Descript, you probably know how frustrating it can be when the interface is clunky or hard to navigate. Castmagic is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy for users to upload audio or video and instantly get transcriptions. You won't need to spend time figuring out complex settings, just upload your file and the software does the work. This ease of use makes it a great option for beginners and pros alike. Next thing you should know is the accuracy. Castmagic doesn't just give you a basic transcript, it strives to be highly accurate, even when dealing with technical jargon or complex dialogue. Many transcription tools struggle with niche topics, but Castmagic uses advanced AI to produce highly accurate text. Sure, some platforms like Rev might be known for accuracy, but Castmagic offers a similar level of precision at a fraction of the cost, making it a fantastic value for anyone looking to transcribe interviews, podcasts, or even customer calls. The third thing is its speed. You don't have to wait long to get your transcripts back. Castmagic processes files quickly, so you can move on to the next task without losing time. While other transcription services, such as Trint, may offer similar speed, Castmagic stands out by being fast while still providing a high-quality end product. This speed can make a huge difference, especially if you're working on tight deadlines. The fourth thing to consider is the ability to edit transcriptions directly within the platform. Castmagic allows you to quickly correct any mistakes or make adjustments, all within a streamlined interface. This is a big plus compared to other tools like Descript, where you may need to jump between platforms or open additional apps to clean up your work. The ability to stay in one place and edit your content seamlessly is a feature that many users find invaluable. The fifth thing worth mentioning is the customization options. Castmagic isn't just a one-size-fits-all solution, it lets you adjust the settings based on your needs. For example, you can modify the output format, language, and even specify how the AI should handle specific words or names. If you're working with a lot of niche content, this flexibility can save you tons of time. Next thing, integrations. Castmagic integrates with a range of platforms, which is essential if you're using it as part of a larger workflow. Whether you're working in content creation, marketing, or customer service, Castmagic's integration with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom means you won't be stuck manually transferring files or switching between apps. These integrations are designed to enhance your productivity, which can give you a competitive edge. The seventh and final thing you need to know is its pricing. Castmagic is affordable, especially compared to competitors like Rev and Otter. They offer a free trial, so you can test it out and see if it's the right fit for your needs before making any commitment. With the competitive pricing and quality, it's one of the best options for small businesses or individuals who want a budget-friendly yet powerful tool. So, if you want to try Castmagic for free, click the first link in the description below to get started with an exclusive trial and unlock some extra benefits. Don't wait. Try it out now and see if Castmagic is the transcription tool you've been looking for.